Hey guys, Johnny T from Kleen-Rite here. I don't know if you've got dogs, but I tell you what, a lot of your customers do. When dogs start getting in the car, that means there's a lot of dog hair. And it could be a real bear to try and get that dog hair out of the carpet and out of the seats. The hair starts weaving through the fabric and just gets sucked. And no matter how much you try to suck with the vacuum, it just won't come out. Well, we got a new product we want to show you that I think you're going to like. Introducing the new Lilly Brush. These things are amazing and are great for getting dog hair out of the fabric and out of the seat covers in any customer's cars. You got the little mini brush, and you got another pack that comes with the big squeegee type and a little detailer tool so you can reach in those crevices and get all the dog hair out. These are great. They're available at Kleen-Rite. Let's see how they work. You can see the Lilly Brush really eats up the dog hair and just pulls it right out of the carpet without damaging your carpet. A lot of people like to use these stones to remove the dog hair. What I find is the stones like to tear up the little fibers in your carpet, actually damaging the carpet. Lilly Brush works without damaging your carpet at all. The crevice tool is great for little corners. It's got a long handle so you can reach down in between seats and get areas that normally you can't get at with the other Lilly brushes. The large Lilly Brush really works almost like a big squeegee. It pulls out the hair from carpeted bed liners and also in the back of your hatchbacks. So if removing dog hair from vehicles is on your list of things to do, whether you're a detail shop owner or a car wash owner, you're going to want to get the Lilly Brush. You can get the mini Lilly Brush by itself, or you can get the 2-pack kit that includes the detail brush and the large squeegee at Kleen-Rite at a great price. Check us out today.
Kleen-Rite.